Hello there. Good morning. My name is Paul from Longwell Electric Technology Company Limited, China. Today I will introduce you our different types of crossflow fines and their characteristics. Well, for crossflow fines, we mainly have two types here. Well, first is AC type crossflow fines, and the second type is DC crossflow fines. Well, for AC crossflow fines, uh, each uh, each type provides a unique set of characteristics that make them a viable solution for different applications. And the major difference between a centrifugal fan and the crossflow fan is to do with the method with the method of airflow. The AC crossflow features transverse airflow that passes directly through the fan twice rather than through an inlet, featuring featuring a quieter airflow, a compact airflow, and high pressure coefficient. These fans are ideal choice for electronics and appliance applications, which are using an AC power supplies. Well, as you can see here, I got several samples of AC crossflow fans. Uh, this one is single blower crossflow fans. Well, you can compare to the double blower crossflow fans. Uh, the double blowers simply means there will be two impellers in one crossflow fans. Well, for DC crossflow fans, um, DC crossflow fans offering an ideal solution for the power supplied by 12 volts and 24 volts or 48 volt DC power source, while providing efficient parallel airflow to the customer's unit with lower noise and a reduced vibration. DC crossflow fans offering the third wire options such as signal rotation detection and signal frequency generator function, and operating temperature control, and a variety of single and two fans mounting. Well, here you can see this. They have three wire. So the third wire you will have these options. And for industries and applications, crossflow fan and blowers provide the best solution in instances requiring uniform and broad airflow in limited space, and combined with high pressure and velocity at low noise and vibration levels. Well, example of using applications for crossflow fans including uh, drying units and air curtains, melting machines, transformer air cooling, and automotive air conditioning. Uh, well, this is the brief introduction for this crossflow fans today. So if you need more information, please visit our website, longwellfines.com or cross-flow-fines.com. You will find more information from our website. And if you have anything that regarding your demand of cross-flow fines, please leave us a message. Okay, thanks for watching today. Hope to see you guys soon.